everyone, it's Brenda from Creations by Babydoll. Hope everyone is doing great today. I am going to be doing a flip cup on an 8x10. I'm going to be using DecoArt Metallic Sapphire, DecoArt Metallic Peacock Pearl, Soho Magnanese, and DecoArt Silver. I've already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone. That way it helps release all the paint and it'll be on the canvas and not in the cup. And I'm going to go in the order that I did them. So I'm going to start with the Metallic Sapphire. And the Peacock Pearl. Soho Magnanese. And silver. Now we're going to be doing a couple of rows of this so it'll fill up the canvas. So we're going to go with the same order, another round. And silver. One more round. And silver. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my canvas and my cup and flip it right in the middle and flip it right on over. Now as you can see here how the silicone has released the paint, and you can see at the bottom exactly where the paint's at. I'm going to give it another quick second. Now I'm not worried about the WD-40 silicone being in my paints because all of my paints do have silicone in them. Well, that looks ready to me. And flip. Now there's a little paint left in my cup. I try to put it on the edges to help it draw the paint because my edges on the corner is always the hardest for me. I'm going to give it a torch here. Now you do not want the flame hitting the paint. You want it just to warm it up to let out any cells from the silicone or from air bubbles. Now I'm liking this corner over here. That looks sort of cool, like a little river through it. So I think I'm going to go with this side first. I'm going to go around in a circle just to get the motion going and the paint moving. All right. And bring the paint back to center. And go over to this corner. See how all that weight of the paint is right there? That's because I have it flowing and in the center. So it has the same weight. I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to go over to this side now. Bring that down a little bit. Oh, I didn't want to lose the river, but I lost the river. Let's try bringing that back a little bit. And tilt it down this side. Now that's a lot of bare spot down here, so I'm going to sit here and try draw the paint down a little bit more. Which I hate to lose that river, but there it goes. Let's bring it back a little bit. Let's just give it a moment to sit. I'm going to just hit it with the torch again. Hopefully something down here will come up. Finally got my torch to start acting right. Now I probably shouldn't have said that because I might jinx myself. Alright y'all, I'm going to let it sit here for about 5 to 10 minutes to see what happens, and I'll bring y'all back, see if anything else pops up. It's starting to down here, and I'm going to do my hardest not to touch it. See y'all in a second. Alright, I'm back. The only thing that I touched was I forgot to wipe the under edges of my painting so more paint wouldn't draw off. Nothing really showed up over here, but I'm really liking that peacock pearl in there. Over here in the silver. Let me see if I can give y'all a close-up of the sapphire blue coming up. I like that right over there. Well, thank y'all for joining me today. Please hit that like and subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I have more videos up. I hope y'all have a wonderful painting time. Thank you very much. Bye.